Good morning, girls. Now, next topic is condition that the general equation of a second degree should represents a cone. Suppose one second degree equation is given to you. General second degree equation in x, y, and z, that is denoted by f of x comma y comma z, ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Now this second degree equation is given to you. If this second degree equation represents a cone with some vertex, if the condition is satisfied, this is the condition. It is a 4 by 4 determined AHGU, HGF, HBF, V, GFCW, UVW, D is equal to 0. If the determinant is equal to 0, then we can say that the given quadratic equation in XYZ represents a cone. Now while doing problems we don't apply this formula. Now what we'll do, we have to make the given equation homogeneous. Homogeneous means in the first equation, what is the power of x here? Highest power is 2, in this power is 2, here power is 2, here where y power is 1, z power is 1, total power is 2, here also 2, here also 2, whereas this one here x power is 1, right? Here y power is 1, w power, z power is 1, right? And it is a constant. Now to make this homogeneous, we have to introduce one variable. Let that variable be t. Now to make this homogeneous, we are introducing a variable. That means like this. See here, this is ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy plus 2utx, 2vty, 2wtz plus dt square is equal to 0. Now the given equation is homogeneous. First of all, we have to make the given equation as a homogeneous equation. Then we have to differentiate partially with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z, and with respect to t also. Now we'll get 4 conditions. By solving those 4 conditions, you will get x, y, z values. Right? Now while solving those equations, now we have to replace t by 1 unit t. Right? T is equal to 1. That is the procedure. Then those xy value represents the vertex of the cone. Now here one problem. Prove that 2x square plus 2y square plus 7z square minus 10yz minus 10zx plus 2x plus 2y plus 26z minus 17 is equal to 0 represents a cone with a vertex 2 comma 2 comma 1. First of all, we are writing the given equation, right? You call that equation number 1. Given vertex 2 comma 2 comma 1. Now what is the procedure? We have to make the given equation homogeneous. How to make homogeneous? We have to introduce one variable. Ante prati each and every term lo degree 2 undali. Now see, here this can be written as, that is f of x y z t, 2x square 2y square 7z square minus 10yz minus 10zx, next 2xt, next 2yt plus 26zt minus constant t square. Now the equation is homogeneous, right? After getting the homogeneous equation, what we have to do? We have to differentiate it partially with respect to x, y, and z and t. Now see here, equation 1. Now equation, if you differentiate it partially with respect to x, keep other variables as constant. Now what you will get? See, partial differentiation of this one is 2x square. This partial differentiation of x square 2x, right? 2 into 2 is 4x. Now we wrote 4x here, right? 4x, right? Next one is differentiation of this one with respect to x is 0. Differentiation of this one with respect to x is 0. Now differentiation of this one with respect to x is 0 because we are treating other variables as constants. Now differentiation of this one is minus 10z, right? Differentiation of x is 1, that's why we are getting minus 10z. Here what you will get? Plus 2t you will get. Now this one is 0 and this one is 0 and this one is 0, right? We are differentiating partially with respect to x. That means we have to treat other variables as constant. Now see, by applying the same formula, we have to differentiate partially with respect to y, with respect to z, and with respect to t. We will get this four equations, right? X, y, z, and t also, right? Now we have to solve these four equations. Now before solving, we have to replace t by 1. Now what you will get here? Here the equations are 4x minus 10y plus 2 is equal to 0. 4y minus 10z plus 2 is equal to 0. 14z minus 10y minus 10x plus 26 is equal to 0. Here 2x plus 2y minus 26z minus 34 is equal to 0. We have to solve those four equations, right? Now here solution rough work x is equal to y. No need to solve those equations. Already indirectly problem answer is given to you. Show that the equation represents a cone with the vertex annadu. That means x value is equal to 2, y value is equal to 2, z value is equal to 2. If you substitute these values in the equations, ivanni reduces to an identity, right? No need to solve. Don't waste your time by solving those equations for this particular problem only, right? Now directly you can write x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. Now here this fourth equation and equation 1 this point satisfies equation 1 and equation this thing equation 6, right? Now equation 6. Now this point satisfies those equations. Now after getting these values, simply we have to write the given equation represents a cone. The second degree equation represents a cone with the vertex 2 to 1. Similarly, second problem also. Show that the given equation x square minus 2y square plus 3z square minus 4xy plus 5yz minus 6zx plus 8x minus 19y minus 2z minus 20 is equal to 0 represents a cone with the vertex 1 comma minus 2 comma 3. Right? Now the same procedure as it is procedure. Now first of all, what we have to do, we have to write the given data, given equation of the cone, you call that equation number 1, and the given vertex, that is 1 comma minus 2 comma 3. Right? Now what we have to do, we have to make this equation 1 homogeneous by introducing a fourth variable t, that it is denoted by f of x, y, z and t. ఎక్కడైతే x only power 1 ఉందో, there we are introducing t. This is 8xt, 19yt minus 28t minus 20t square. Now in this equation, the degree of each and every term is equal to 2. Therefore, this is a homogeneous equation. After getting the homogeneous equation, what we have to do, we have to differentiate that equation partially with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z and with respect to t. Now you will get 4 conditions. Now these are the conditions. Fx is equal to 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 8t is equal to 0. Similarly, fy is equal to minus 4t minus 4x plus 5z minus 19t is equal to 0. Fz is equal to here fz is equal to partial differentiation 6z minus plus 5y minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0, and ft is equal to 8x minus 19y minus 2z minus 40 is equal to 0. You call that equation number 1. Before solving these equations, what we have to do, we have to replace t by 1, right? T by 1 and then solve. Right? We are replacing t by 1 in the above equations by solving those equations 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will get the values x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2, z is equal to 3 only. Once again I am saying no need to solve the equation. Simply write the given vertex values as x, y, z. Right? Now here therefore what is your conclusion after getting these values? Equation 1 represents a cone with the vertex 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 only. For this type of problems only No need to solve the 4 equations, right? If you want, you can substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2, z is equal to 3 in all the equations, right? Those equations reduces to an identity. Similarly, third one is also show that the equation, a second degree equation is given to you, represents a cone whose vertex is minus 7 by 6, 1 by 3, 5 by 6, right? Same procedure, right? Next topic is find the equations of the lines of intersection of the following planes and cones. Now there are 3 problems are there here. Third one is homework for you, or you can practice, right? Same procedure. Now first of all we have to write the given equation of the plane. From these 2 equation of the plane is this one. A first degree equation in x, y and z represents a plane, right? This is the cone equation. Now given plane equation is this one, you call that equation number 1. This is equation number 2. This equation represents a cone. Now we have to find the lines of intersection. You will get 2 lines. Let the line be, one of the line be always this procedure only. X by L is equal to y by m is equal to z by n. Be one of the equations of 2 lines. Now this is a line which is common to the plane, common to the plane and the cone. That means this line lies on the plane and the cone. That means this x value is L, y value is m, z value is n, satisfies the given equations, right? Now from 1 and 2 you will get, in the place of x we are substituting L, in the place of y we are substituting m, in the place of z we are substituting n. Now we got 2 conditions, 4 and 5. From equation 4 find the n value. N is equal to L plus 3m by 2, right? After getting this value, substitute the n value in equation 5. Now we will get a quadratic equation in L, right? Now here I got on simplification, Lm is equal to 0 or L by m is equal to 0, or you can write product of 2 numbers is equal to 0 means either L is equal to 0 or m is equal to 0. Product of 2 numbers is equal to 0 means either the first number is equal to 0 or the second number is equal to 0. Now suppose in the case 1, if L is equal to 0, again from equation number 4 I am substituting those values. 3m is equal to 2n, or you can write m by 2 is equal to n by 3. Either you can write like this or like this. Just this 3 it వస్తే n by 3, 2 it వస్తే left side transport చేస్తే m by 2. m by 2 is equal to n by 3. Next, suppose same conditions once again we are writing. The first case, if L is equal to 0, now what you got? M is equal to 2, N is equal to 3, or else L by 0 is equal to the same values you have to write. M by 2 is equal to N by 3. Now second case, m is equal to 0. If m is equal to 0, again from the equation 4 you will get L minus 2n is equal to 0, L is equal to 2n, right? Or L by 2 is equal to n by 1. Again from this condition, L by 2 is equal to m is equal to m by 0 is equal to n by 1. Now these are the 2 set of values. One set is this one, another set is this one. Therefore the required lines are, replace these element by x, y, z. X by 0 is equal to y by 2 is equal to z by 3, and x by 2 is equal to y by 0 is equal to z by 1. Another representation is x is equal to 0 like this. X is equal to 0 and 3y is equal to 2z. That means we are replacing m by y and n by z. Another one is y is equal to 0. Here from here m is equal to 0 means replace m by y. Y is equal to 0. Next L is equal to 2n. No? Replace L by x, n by z. L is equal, that means x is equal to 2z you will get. X is equal to 2z. Now either those lines can be represented by this notation or this notation, right? Now once again, given plane, once again what we have to find, we have to find the lines of intersection of plane and the cone. Now second problem, we are writing the given equation of the plane is and given cone equation is, right? We don't know the line equations, that's why we are assuming one of the line be L by x by L is equal to y by m is equal to z by n. This is the our required line, one line, right? Now this line is common to the plane and the cone, that's why those x values, y value and z value satisfies the given equations. That's why you are substituting in the place of xl, in the place of ym, and the place of in the place of zn. Now we got two conditions, 3l plus 4m plus n is equal to 0. 15l square minus 32m square minus 7n square is equal to 0. Same as above procedure. Now from here I am finding n value. N is equal to minus 3l plus 4m. Substitute that n value in the equation number 5. Right? Now in equation 5 substitute chesam, we by simplifying I got this result, minus 48l square minus 144m square minus 168 lm is equal to 0. Now here 24 common, this is a minus 24, if you take common you will get this result. Right? Minus 24 common, then cancel. 2l square plus 6m square plus 7lm is equal to 0. Now throughout the equation I am dividing it by what? Dividing it by m. Dividing it by m, you will get 2 l by m whole square plus 7 l by m plus 6 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in l by m. Every quadratic equation has two roots. Now l by m is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. Now substituting those values, now l by m is equal to one time plus another one second time minus. By considering L by m is equal to, if you will get minus 3 by 2. Consider minus and L by m is equal to minus 2. Case 1, L by m is equal to minus 3 by 2. They substitute this value in equation number 4. You will get like this. Alright. Now from here n by m is equal to what? N by m is equal to 1 by 2. Now again we are writing, we are grouping all those things. L by m value is minus 3 by 2. Now n by n value is 1 by 2. Again I am writing L is equal to minus 3, m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1, m is equal to 2. This can be written as L by minus 3 is equal to m by 2 is equal to n by 1. And the second condition, that is L by m is equal to minus 2. There is another root, no? Right. If L by m is equal to minus 2, again substitute that minus 2 in equation number 4, right? Now you will get n by m value as 2. N by m value as 2. Right. Now again grouping all the numbers, L by 2, L by m is equal to minus 2, n by m is equal to 2. That means L by L is equal to minus 2, m is equal to 1. Right? L by minus 2, m by 1, n by 2. Therefore, the L, m, n are replaced by x, y and z. Therefore, the two required lines are here in the first group this one. These L, M, N are replaced by what? X, Y and Z. X by minus 3, Y by 2 is equal to Z by 1. Another pair is here. That means x by minus 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 2. Right? That means in the two pairs, a pairs line chestunam conditions lo we are replacing L, M, N by x, y and z. Those are the two required lines. See, Suppose if you compare the answer, it will be x by 2 is equal to y by minus 1 is equal to z by minus 2 ఉంటుంది. Right? Now, here if ABC are the direction ratios, of a line, then minus A, minus B, minus C are also direction ratios of the line. Here minus 2, 1, 2 are the direction ratios of this line. That means 2 minus 1 minus 2 are also the direction ratios of the same line. Right? That's why in the textbook le untundi 2 x by 2 is equal to y by minus 1 is equal to z by minus 2. Right? ఈ థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం హోంవర్క్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి.